Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast, Preppy kitchen style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 large eggs, 3/4 cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. For the bread, choose 8 thick slices like brioche for a rich, soft result. Now let's create the flavorful custard that makes French toast so special. In a large bowl, whisk together your 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Whisk thoroughly until all ingredients are completely combined and you have a smooth, pale yellow batter. This ensures every slice of bread gets perfectly coated. With our custard ready, it's time to cook. Place a large skillet over medium heat and melt 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. This adds incredible flavor and helps achieve those crispy edges. Dip each thick slice of bread into the custard mixture for just a few seconds on each side. Then, carefully transfer it to the hot pan and cook for about 2 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. Once your French toast is cooked to golden perfection, it's time to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a generous drizzle of maple syrup, a light dusting of powdered sugar, or a handful of fresh berries. If you're cooking in batches, keep finished slices warm in a 200-degree oven on a wire rack. This ensures every piece is delightful and ready to savor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.